Hi guys, it's Paul from Source Sounds in Sheffield. You've got a 2018 Mitsubishi L200. Done a Apple CarPlay upgrade on this, reverse camera. It's all KENWOOD equipment. I'll show you the products now. Works really well in the vehicle, fits well. We've also done a speaker upgrade in this as well. So let me show you what we've done now. Right, okay, so we're now inside the vehicle's running. This is the KENWOOD system. So as you can see how well it fits in there. It's a nice trim, piano black trim surround on here, and obviously the KENWOOD system is also piano black, so it fits in that dashboard really nice. This is the KENWOOD DMX7520DABS. It has a high resolution screen. This system has DAB, digital radio, Bluetooth streaming, HDMI, USB, Android Auto, Apple CarPlay. Actually works incredibly well in this vehicle. We've also done a reverse camera, so I'll pop it in reverse now to show you. So when the vehicle's put in reverse there, that's behind, so you can see the tow bar and obviously any vehicle behind you, and then take it out reverse, that's back. This will work with the steering wheel controls, so it'll obviously do us volume up, volume down, and it will allow us to operate the vehicle. There's a little microphone up there, and that's obviously for making and receiving calls. Now with this as well, because this vehicle had DAB as standard, we've managed to retain the factory aerial, so the aerial again works fantastic. So for further information on upgrading your vehicle, give the specialists at Source a call on 0114 257 1550. Thank you for watching.